All right, this is not my GS. This is Aaron's. He stopped by today. And Mr. GS, oh my God, he's got red ignition wires. Now, tell me what transpired here.
I was hoping that they would match the...
oh, yeah.
I know. So
yeah.
But it's faster than if they were orange, because red is fastest, but it's still not. But it was...
Not that
they
fast.
Were probably, if they matched, it would have probably been faster.
Yeah. Joe is still working on his GS. So what, you still got the old bars that you were unhappy with the low bars?
My back is unhappy with them.
Okay.
But, you know, I'll get there.
Well, come over and swap them out someday.
That's the plan.
That's easy.
Still the plan. Yeah, so I got the bike buttoned up.
It's running good now?
Last night. It's running good. For
Fabulous.
the first time from forever. I mean, like, really, really good.
Yeah.
Running rich, I think.
Well, rich is not going to hurt you because the winter's coming. In the winter, that won't hurt at all.
It's fine. It runs. It's better than it was when I bought it.
See, now this is telling me too. This is running a little hot.
Yeah, there's some bluing, right?
Yeah. Well, that's not bad, but it's.
But that's confusing from what I don't know.
It's bad if one pipe is blue and one isn't. They're all pretty equal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
So I wanted to show you the mirrors.
Yeah, this is what we came out to look at. Now these are. What's the name of them again?
Doubletake. Doubletake.com. They made them, or they started making them for adventure bikes, ADV stuff.
Yeah.
They got the dirt bike version, and this is the adventure one, so it's just...
Yeah, when I rode this bike rode pretty nice. We were fooling with that camera.
Yeah.
Did you ever do anything with that camera? Or?
You know what?
I hate to ask you.
No,
don't ask me for help with that.
I have the footage. It's got a wavy line through it, which is the resonance from the vibration from the bike, because I had it mounted on the bike. So
yeah, you were picking up the vibration, yeah. That was a good day though. We went out with the two GSs. If we had Joe, you know, Joe has this exact bike.
I didn't know that either.
Yeah, we actually could get 3 of them on the same day and go up to Luciano's house and torture him or something. It still looks good. It's a pretty bike. I don't care what anybody says. It's a nice looking bike.
I always like this one.
And knowing we have plenty of spare parts around. Wow, is that ever a good? I just found out. I did some work on the instruments on this. Let me turn the key on. Turn the key on for 1 second. Let me see something. Okay, all your bulbs are working. I was fooling around with it. I had switched the speedometer. So you got an 80-mile-an-hour speedometer?
Yeah.
I put a 140 in because the speedometer stopped working. I thought it was the cable, and it wasn't the cable. So the next day I flipped it, and a friend of mine, Andy Lee, I thought had given me a 140-mile-an-hour speedometer, and I couldn't find it. But I had one in the parts bike. So now if you need a speedometer, you get my old 80-mile-an-hour speedometer.
I'd like to be able to go faster than 80 one day, but
140. They're pretty optimistic. And you got the steel lines on here. That's nice. That's a nice accessory.
I'm happy that it came with those already put on.
That's a good thing. The red ignition wires look cool, if nothing else.
They look cool, and I actually did.
Are these manifolds? Oh, yours are nice and soft.
They're soft.
Oh my God.
They must have been new since before.
Mine are like they're like rocks. Yeah. It's unbelievable. If I ever got to take it apart again.
I did replace the coils also. I put Dyna coils on.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's not an upgrade. It's a maintenance thing. You know, that I didn't have to do, but why wouldn't I spend money?
You know what? If you don't spend it, when you die, somebody else will. So you may as well enjoy it while you can.
Yeah.
That's a pretty bike. I love these bikes, boy. I love them. Now these are made for adventure bikes, right? Like Jose has those. And this is a ball.
I'll say it's marketed that way.
Let's
say
this is pretty heavy duty stuff here.
Yeah. Well, so basically, the mirror is from Doubletake, and the rest of the stuff you can buy from their website, but it's all Ram. So Ram Mounts makes this, and they make a longer one too, which is what I want to get for both sides. So I won't have to tuck my elbow.
I got you.
To see behind me. But I've got the extender on here anyway. But really, so the ball and this grabber.
Oh, it's like a clothespin.
These are Ram parts from the Ram website. You know, they make them for the GPSs, for everything. Marine, whatever, you know. So
well, I see you got one here for
this is Ram also.
So you can text while you're driving.
Exactly.
And in the middle of chasing
I don't wear
Luciano.
gloves anymore because I got to be able to touch the phone.
We can use your nose too, you know.
I do that in the winter, but not on the bike. I've literally done that.
Oh my God. There's the puppy that you've come to love.
Is this
Notice I have 140 mile an hour speedometer, baby.
What'd you do here? This
Oh,
looks shiny and new.
That's been painted when I restored the bike.
Paint.
But here, look at this. Have you ever seen a bike with 4 mirrors? How cool is this?
How many glasses you wearing?
Oh, this is the coolest. Now, I haven't ridden a bike yet, but I wanted to. Here's what I did, an experiment with Aaron and I talking about mirrors. These were better than the ones that were on it before. And these, when I sat in a driveway, are better than these because I don't have to move my neck up and down like a crocodile. So I'm going to ride the bike with 4 mirrors. Hopefully get, you know, if I like these, I'll order a set. I was just looking at mirrors.
Every angle.
Yeah, you can shave and, you know, or whatever. But I can't wait. If somebody doesn't notice this right away up at Perry's and they say, what the hell's wrong with this guy?
You need to slow the bike down. You get a little bit more wind resistance.
But this is, you know what's going to happen over the winter? I got to paint like 6 or 8 mirrors because I love these big mirrors that I can see out of, and I don't like the little ones. And the more I can make it that I'm happy with it, then, and your mirror is probably pretty good too. And don't forget, you wanted to swap handlebars off the parts bike. Just come over and do it. You can do it. You got all the crap that goes off of here. 4 bolts.
These aren't them though, is it?
No, I have 2 sets.
Or is it the other one's taller, right?
I don't know which is. Luciano had them. I had them. I don't know who's. Okay. What you can go through my inventory before you do it.
You know, yeah, I think they're taller.
You know, same price.
Yeah.
Now the day is going to come. We're going to get Joe to get his GS. I know he's got the tank fixed. I don't know what else he's working on, but get all 3 of the GSs for a GS day and go on a nice ride. Switch bikes. I know you've ridden this already, so.
Yeah.
Joe Padula, he will enjoy riding this too.
Yeah, it's a little oily.
No, that's the stuff that I put on to keep the rubber soft. The way a GS is made, you can't really put risers underneath here conveniently. They do make things that you can bolt in here, and they're kind of hokey. I don't like that. I'd just rather put higher handlebars on.
I see. Well,
yeah, they're actually blocks. They're blocks of aluminum that are machined. But I still think, first of all, you still see the hole. That looks ugly. And
you have a gap in there.
Yeah, it's like it's you know, Farmer Brown did them. You know.
Yeah. Oh.
I love this.
How do you know where to go?
How do you text when you're driving?
How do you know where to go?
You just stop looking at the car in front of you. Dear Wendy, hey, you're very handsome for a guy 92 years old. Always good seeing Aaron. Look at that baby go. Wow.
I got the carb synced. It actually idles at 900. It won't die. I don't
good.
I don't have to, you know, bump up the idle.
Yeah. It sounds good. Okay, so the challenge is out now for Joe Padula. Get that GS running, and we'll have a GS day. Got to keep these old puppies alive. And if they stall out, no problem. You just push start them. As he hits a car. And the lesson of today, don't text while driving a motorcycle. All right, I hope you enjoyed the little visit with Aaron, and thanks for watching.